Hello, this is Kenji Kumara, and thank you for tuning into our Joyful Tune-In program, a series of very short meditations that you can do to reset your day, to create what you'd like to experience for the day, and all this other wonderful good stuff. Today's theme is going to be on tuning in to the energies that you want to experience for the day. So this could be creating the state for today. So all you need to do is simply close your eyes, be in a quiet place for a few moments, close your eyes, and however you want to sit, in a chair, cross-legged, laying on the floor, on your bed, on your couch, just so that your body's comfortable. And we're going to tune in to create the energies for today. So let's take a deep breath. Take a deep breath of the light. Take it all the way up from your belly, through your lungs, and all the way up to your pineal gland, into the point between your eyebrows and your forehead. Take the light, igniting, stimulating your pineal, and then slowly exhaling out any stress and anxiety that you have. Just let it go for a moment. We're going to tune in and recalibrate. Again, take a slow, deep breath in. And slowly exhale and drop the tension off your shoulders, out of your TMJ, off your forehead and your eyelid muscles, your fingers and your toes. Allow the body to become very soft and relaxed. Now, take another deep breath into your belly. You're going to recalibrate the energies in your solar plexus. Take a deep breath into the belly. Hold the light in balance and harmony in your belly, and then slowly exhale out any old excessive energies out through the feet, through the bottoms of the feet into the earth. And then let's take another deep breath into the heart center, warming the heart center, opening up the heart center to feel love, to feel the joy, to feel the wonder of life. Again, slowly exhaling and completely letting go of the tension in your arms and your upper back. And another deep breath up into the pineal gland, taking the light, stimulating the pineal gland, divine balance and harmony. Exhaling and letting go of any excessive energies out the crown chakra, send it out into the universe, back to the central sun, back to the light. And then take another deep breath throughout your spine, from your brain all the way down your spinal column, all the way down to your coccyx bone, to your sacrum, and then down into the feet, and down into the earth. Now, find your center on the next in-breath. Seal and lock into your center. Feel balance and harmony now throughout your nervous system, throughout your brain, throughout your solar plexus. And extend now this vibration, this frequency of love, peace, balance, and harmony out into your world for today. Send this energy out all the way up until sleep time tonight. Send it out into the universe. Know that it is being accepted by the universe. And one more very gentle breath of the light, balance and harmony in the heart. And then slowly open your eyes. Feel wonder, feel awe, feeling blessed, feeling more of you and who you are in the world. We're going to seal this meditation in divine grace and blessings in sacred space, knowing that you are truly loved 24/7. And so it is. And thank you for your time in this joyful tune-up, this joyful tune-in for today.